Hey, what's up guys, this is the Reviewer 85 and I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Also check out my giveaways, you could win. So today I have a GoPro Fusion. Has a nice little case, the bottom sticks out. Very nice case. So let's get it open. In the end of this video I will show you a preview on how it records. So this is the GoPro Fusion. They have the Max. The Max has the screen in the back. This one do not. You have dual cameras. You have your mic, your speaker. It's a very nice camera to do 360 videos. You have your bottom piece to connect to your adapters, your power button. On the one side, slide it open. You have your battery, which it is a very huge battery compared to the GoPros. Okay, and on this side, put back in. On this side, you can see it right here. You have SD1 and SD2. You have to have 2 SD cards in order for the camera to work. So you have to have 2 SD cards, 1 and 2. Okay, on the other side, you have charger. This is exactly where you charge your camera. You have your power button, turn it on, turn it off. Power a little dead. So okay, so basically you have to put 2 memory cards. So if you turn it on, it will tell you. Okay, so the first one, now say no to the second one. Put the second one in. Okay, and there it goes. So you turn it on. Look just like that. Click on, you can change it and the mode. Pick the one you want. So it's pretty cool. It'd be nice if it had the screen, but they do have it now. It's the Max. So now I'm gonna make a quick video of it outside walking and show you how it looks. Check it out.